How to use generators to blend colors onto video clips and still images in DaVinci Resolve 19. Inside your edit window, hold in Control or Command if you're a Mac user and press I to insert the media that you wish to use in this project. Identify the thumbnail of the inserted media inside your media pool master bin on the side. Click and drag from the thumbnail to your timeline to insert. Go to Effects, and underneath Toolbox, find the Generators option below. You can select from a variety of different color pattern edits and drag these to a video track directly above the video clip or image that you inserted. Here in this example, I will use the 4-color gradient. Use the selection mode tool, which you can also do by pressing A, to click on the end of the edit and expand this so that the size is the same as that of your video clip. With your generator edit selected, under Inspector and Video, the colors for this generator can be modified by double-clicking on the relevant color box, depending on the specific color that I wish to modify, and by selecting the new shade from the palette window which appears. Basic color presets are also available. Hue, saturation, and value properties can also be adjusted in the color window, with hue determining the actual color shade that you will use, with saturation determining the intensity of the color on display, and value referring to the brightness of a color. Decreasing the value for center X will increase the presence of the colors from the right side, and increasing the value for this variable will make the left colors more prominent on screen. The vertical positioning of the colors can also be modified using the center Y variable. Decreasing this value will enhance the presence of the bottom colors, and increasing the value for center Y will make the colors from the top expand on screen. To blend the colors of this generator on video track 2 onto the video clip on video track 1, go to Settings under Inspector, scroll down your properties to find Composite. Change composite mode from normal to color. To reduce the strength of the color blend on screen, decrease the value for opacity below. The same composite technique can be applied to various generators available inside the effects library. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.